Hello there. So if you would like to make a 6 head tall cartoon character walk, the first thing you're going to do is find the document that I sent to you in your mail. Hold your finger down, add 2 photos. 3, add 2 photos. 4, add 2 photos. You should get this option by holding your finger down on the picture. And if you don't, I guess you have to use the little box with the arrow to send it to your photo library. Then you're going to open up a new document. Please notice this is portrait, not landscape. Portrait, not landscape. And I like to enter for the width 850 and the height 1100. So it's basically 8.5 or 8.5 by 11 inches, which is what a normal piece of printing paper is. Then all your pictures will be in your photo library. For some reason, mine ended up, I must have already downloaded them. I mean, I did. So that's why they're a little higher up. But then each picture, you click on the add photo, find the photo, and add it. So 1, 2, 3, find photo. The 4th picture, add it. The 2 triangles, it looks like a mountain range with a plus sign. That's how you add a photo. And you'll notice at the right that there are going to be 8 separate photos, 8 layers. Then you're going to have to hide each one. So I'm going to start at the very bottom, the first pose, contact, and I need to hide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm drawing a face from the side, the profile. And the reason I'm calling this an anime template is popular anime from the 2010s like Attack on Titan and Death Note. The characters are 6 heads tall, but most Disney princesses are 6 heads tall. The Scooby-Doo gang are 6 heads tall. A lot of cartoon characters are 6 heads tall. In 6th grade, we did a template that was based on Looney Tunes, and that was 4 heads tall. Most Looney Tunes characters, like Bugs Bunny or Daffy Duck, are 4 heads tall. So anyway, you're going to use the template. You could turn the arms into stick arms. You could even have... it's just a guide to show you the 8 poses of a walk cycle. Contact, recoil, passing, high point. Contact, recoil, passing, high point. Then you need to share, save image. Share, save image for every single one of them. Then you go to 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Every time you share, in the upper left-hand corner, the gallery button, share, save image. Now I'm going to open up iMotion. I'm going to turn my iPad so that it is in portrait orientation, not landscape. The reason for this is if you don't change it to portrait, it's going to chop off the heads on all the pictures when you import them. Then I'm going to import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something looks wrong. I imported 9 pictures. Okay, so what did I do? I imported 2 of the same picture because I must have exported 2 of the same picture. I need to figure out what picture is doubled, and it looks like it is this one. Okay, so contact. I'm going to go to the bottom, push display, and delete the extra photo, and now I'm all set. It's an anime guy wearing a Tinky Winky outfit. Why? Because that's why. I'm the artist, and that's what I was inspired to do. In truth, I was looking up something on Google called a Telecaster. It's a type of guitar because I like guitars. And Tinky Winky, a Teletubby, somehow ended up on my Google. And I thought to myself, why not draw a man dressed up in a Tinky Winky outfit? So, anyway, although I'm calling this anime, it really could be any cartoon. We're just using a 6 head proportion, 6 heads tall, which is typical of many popular anime shows. But like I said, that's also the proportion that you're going to find in Scooby-Doo, a lot of Hanna-Barbera cartoons, a lot of Disney cartoons, and anyway, you don't have to color it, but as you can see, there's Tinky Winky, and I stole the colors and with the eyedropper tool and dropped them in. These are traditional hand-drawn animations. I like to do one short unit, 3 or 4 days of animation every year for every grade, ever since we got iPads in 2011. So these artists drew on paper and then used the iPad to capture each picture and manipulate the frames per second. Most anime is 8 frames a second. Most Disney cartoons are 24 frames a second. And most stop motion animation is 12 frames a second. I am so impressed with the things that kids come up with. I think this is great technology. If you have an iPad and you can make cartoons, make your drawings move. So I look forward to seeing your animations. Thanks.